Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create product price solver in C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers, silent viewers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So basically guys, I'm using dev C++ in writing this program. So we have here sharp include IO string for input output, sharp include IO mani for input output manipulator for decimal places in C++. It is written by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, MIT, and then the email address at jakeRpomperada@gmail.com. Currently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development at a very affordable cost. You just email me if you have some problems in computer programming, IT consultancy, web development. Thank you so much in advance. Using namespace std main. So here I declare an array of string nido, bear brand, anchor milk, Milo. So we have here double variables, two-dimensional array price, sub, add, change, and pay. So our program product price solver in C++ using nested looping statement, we will accepting the price and display the product here, and then add solve, and then it will display the total amount, and then ask the user how much money, and then subtract, and then the change here. Fix set precision to, we set the decimal places by 2. You cannot use that command without this IO mani. And then pause and end. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. So let us compile and run. Enterprise of Nido, let's say 5632, bear brand 6723, anchor 1243, Nido 90.12. So the total cost of 4 products is 226.10. Amount paid is 300 pesos. Your change is 73.90 pesos presently. Okay, last example, 93.12, 45.12, anchor milk 87.12, nido 88.45, 313.81. The amount is 320. The amount to be paid. Your change is 6.19. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video of product price solver in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. If you have comments, suggestion, just leave it in the comment section of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend from the Philippines, Jake, saying bye bye for now.